Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. The AYANEO Pocket Air different from the common low-end and cheap handheld consoles currently on the market, based on AYANEO's years of accumulation in the field of Windows handheld consoles. AYANEO Pocket Air is equipped with a number of leading technologies on AYANEO Windows handheld consoles. Combining software and hardware to create first-class product design and technology quality and comprehensive experience are far ahead. AYANEO Pocket Air continues the thin and light design of the Air series, with a body thickness of only 17 mm and a weight of about 380 grams. The body adopts the high-end UV spraying process of AYANEO's high-end handheld devices and has a unique AirTouch smooth feel. A thin and light body does not mean compromising on the grip. AYANEO Pocket Air is the first Android handheld device equipped with SoundTap Magic sound vibration system, allowing players to experience vibration gameplay synchronized with game sound effects, adding an immersive gaming experience to many retro and old games. AYANEO Pocket Air adopts a 3-select 2-card slot design, natively supports 4G networks, and supports the world's mainstream 4G network frequency bands. AYANEO Pocket Air is first launched with the self-developed desktop launcher for Android handheld devices AYA Home, creating an industry-leading software experience for many players. AYANEO Pocket Air is equipped with an ergonomic grip. The streamlined design of the grip combined with advanced spraying technology makes the grip feel better than most similar products. As a retro-style Android handheld console, AYANEO Pocket Air adopts retro white color scheme. The off-white body and red embellishments pay tribute to the classic red and white consoles. The yellow rocker cap design adds to the nostalgic color. In addition, a red rocker cap will be included with the machine to meet the preferences of different players. AYANEO Pocket Air is equipped with a 5.5-inch 1080p and 16:9 ratio AMOLED colorful screen. It has the ultimate screen color performance that other low-end and cheap Android handhelds cannot match. With a carefully designed game mask, players can enjoy an immersive retro gaming atmosphere. Performance is also what sets AYANEO Pocket Air apart from other low-end and cheap Android handhelds. It is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, as well as LDDR5 dual-channel memory and UFS 3.1 flash memory. It has flagship-level performance that leads open-source handhelds. Whether it is a retro gaming experience or daily software experience, you can get smooth and stable performance. AYA Home adopts a refreshing and simple UI design, which consumes low resources, has smooth animation, intuitive and simple functions and interaction logic, and is fully compatible with handheld and touchscreen operations, making it easy for all players to get started. In the future, it will be updated to support more functions and continue to bring players an upgraded software experience. AYA Space exclusively implements compatibility with the two major retro game front-ends Emulation Station and Tianma Game List, and can easily import game packages. AYA Space provides a very high degree of freedom in game management functions.